I have a Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to add Roku to this TV. So let's say you used to have a Roku TV and you kind of like the Roku environment. It's more familiar to you and you love it. And probably there are apps which are available there which you cannot get on a Samsung environment. So how do you get Roku operating system onto your Samsung TV? Now this is very simple. While you cannot install Roku onto the TV, you can always go ahead and get yourself a Roku streaming device. Now this device only requires power, so you do need an extension cable where you can plug in this to power and a HDMI connection to your TV. So a HDMI cable will come from here to the TV. Now this is the Roku 4K Streaming Plus. I'll link it down below together with other Roku devices which you can connect. Some are more expensive than others, but you can connect all of them to a Samsung TV through a HDMI connection. So there are plenty of HDMI ports at the back of modern Samsung TVs, and you can just connect one of them to this Roku device. So I'll just set it up quickly. Like I said, you just need power here and a cable here. The power cable comes in the box of your Roku streaming device. And once you connect your Roku to power and to the TV, then your TV will detect the Roku streaming device. Now, depending on what version of Samsung TV you have, it may or may not add a Roku shortcut to your home screen. So you can launch it from there, or you can always go to the HDMI that has that Roku device. So just go to connected devices and then look for your Roku device. Select it, and there you have Roku. So it's gonna take a couple of moments to adjust the resolution. And there you have your Roku TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, you can use your Samsung Smart TV to control Roku once you set up Roku like that. Or you can use the dedicated Roku remote because every Roku device comes with its own remote. But that's basically how to add Roku to your Samsung Smart TV. So you can have the Samsung environment, which is a default operating system, and also if you want to, you can have Roku. This should help, especially if there are other apps that you like on Roku, or there are things you like, you feel like they work better on Roku more than on a Samsung TV. You can just enjoy the quality hardware of a Samsung TV with a Roku environment using a Roku streaming device. I'll link some of those Roku devices in the description below. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.